So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn about parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech. Let's learn them one by one. The first one is noun, second pronoun, third verb, fourth adverb, fifth adjective, sixth preposition, seventh conjunction, eighth interjection. Noun, a word that represents a person, place, thing or idea. For example, dog, boy, Qaid-e-Azam, Quran, Islamabad. Pronoun, a word that takes place of noun is called pronoun. Example, he, she, it, you, they. Verb, a word that expresses an action or a state of being. Example, run, walk, sit, eat. Adverb, a word that modifies the verb, adjective or another, typically providing information about whose, when or to what degree. Example, timely, happily, loudly. Adjective, a word that describes or modifies noun or pronoun. For example, happy, tall, blue, too. Preposition, a word that shows the relationship between a noun or pronoun and other words in the sentence. For example, in, on, under, beside. Interjection, a word or phrase used to express strong emotions. For example, wow, oh. Conjunction, a word that connects words, phrases or clauses. For example, and, but or nor. If you like our video, please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to press the bell icon.